Welcome to Tech Boss again. In this video we are going to fix this quick. You can see here I'm using S21 Ultra, so this method going to work for any Samsung phone, so don't worry. You can see here it give me time 9 hours 40 minutes until full battery. You can see so we are going to fix that problem very quick. Before we start this process, I will ask from you guys to hit on the subscribe button, so when I upload new video you can get notification. And let's start. Number one, when we started facing this problem, what we are going to do, let's displug our charger here. After displug our charger here, I'm going to show you some quick step before you go to the next step. Come here, dialer, and dial star star 9900. You can see star 9900 and click on here hash. Now you can see this page. We are going to face this problem over here. Scroll it down until you see battery status reset. Battery reset done. Here, battery reset done. Then come here, exit, then go home, then let's plug our charger C again. You can see now it gives us 1 hour 44 minutes with the same charger. You can see it over here. With the same charger, you can see it over here. So this is the method one. But if still you are facing that problem, this is going to be your second method. Issue most of time it can be the charger head too. It can be the charger head too. So at least get something powerful, and go to the store and try and charge over there like 5 minutes to 10 minutes before you leave the store. Sometimes it can be the charger too. So if you try the charger head and it is not work, sometimes it can be the USB too. The USB cable too. You see, sometimes it can be the USB cable too. So try new USB cable for it too and see. Try new USB cable for it and see. You see this one. You can try new USB cable for it to see. So this is how to fix this method. If you try all this and it did not work for you, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem with hardware. Thank you for this video.